Hi, welcome back to CMG-MathSpace. We have been introduced to sets and operations on sets, right? So this will be part 2. And in this part, we are going to look at what is a set notation, right? A set notation meaning a particular way or a special way of representing what? Sets, right? Right. So without further ado, let's hit the ground running. Now, sets are conventionally denoted or represented by capital letters. So you can see here A, capital B, capital P, Q, etc. You can see that this is how they are represented by capital letters. Now, the members of a set are enclosed in a curly brackets. Curly bracket, this is how they are represented. I wanted to be writing as I teach, but it seems my hand will be covering the screen. So I have to jot the important points, then I read them out. So when it gets to the calculation, I think I know what to do. So now, by the way, our operation 1K followers is on. So I think that will give us the opportunity to be doing live so that we have a better way of representing on the screen, right? So please like, share, and then help us grow. Right. So like we were saying, the members of a set are enclosed in a curly brackets or in curly brackets. And this is how it is written. Some may have it difficult writing this or representing this on your paper. But any way possible, I think it will be accepted. Now, the components or objects, we have already talked about this. The components or objects of a set are called members. They are called what? Members or elements of the set. So whatever is in that set individually are called members or a member or members or elements of the set. So take note. Now don't take anything for granted because that's the foundation. It's very, very important as we progress. Right, now example. What I mean is they can be anything, like anything at all, can be numbers of the same kind, people of a particular kind, letters of the alphabet, other sets, and so on and so forth. So that is what it means, but they should be unique, like as we looked at it in the introduction. For example, if letter A, capital A, is equal to or has a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, then 2 is a member or an element of A. And that is what represented as A with the member sign or symbol, then what? So once again, then 2 is a member of or element of A. And then this is how it's represented, 2, a member A. That's the sign, the symbol there, right? Sorry, I was finding it difficult representing on the screen, hence distracting my reading. Don't worry. So, and also 4 is a member of the set, and this is how it is represented. You can see them here. You can see that one too here. Right. We can also say 5 is not a member of A, and this is how it is represented. 5, not a member, the same symbol that it was drawn like this, and then you cross it over, right? So 5 is not a member of A because the items that we listed above here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5 is not part of this set. So that is what it means. Also note this: the number of members or elements in a set. Example A, we are using the example, the set A as our example, right? So we see A is equal to, into bracket, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And then it's 4. So we are talking about, meaning when you say the number of members or elements of a set, we are counting the individual numbers and giving the sum of it. So if I say sum, meaning we are adding them up. No, individually counting the individual numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are counting individual numbers, not summing them up. So sorry about that. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Counting them 1, 2, 3, 4. Giving that. So that's what the number of members or elements in the set. That is it. And this is denoted as this, small n into bracket, the set notation, right? The set notation, which is a, then equal to what? 4. So we are counting the individual numbers, right? We can also say that is also called what? Cardinality. But this is represented in a different way as the slashes. Not the slashes, the straight slashes. I don't know how there's the special name for that. The slashes straight up, right, equal to the n number of what? The element in the what? In the set, into bracket, the set notation, which is also equal to what? This n into bracket, the a is equal to 4. So the cardinality is represented this way. This is how the cardinality is represented. So in examination, be watchful, be mindful what you have been asked to provide. You may get the number correct, which is 4, but the representation may be a problem. So this is the cardinality. But if you are asked to give the number or of the members in the set, you can actually write this. So that is it. That is very, very important. Right. Now, the set n, let's say set something of this, or set capital N of natural numbers, for instance, is what? Infinite. I just needed to add this one. So when you see a set represented as n, set notation capital N, that's what? Natural numbers. And one may be asking, what is a natural number? A natural number is a number that we start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to infinity, any number that you can count, right? And that is very, very, it's something that you have to take note. So that is it. So as we promised, we are going to treat everything in bits, so that we can assimilate the information. So follow us, like us, and share. Let's hit the 1K so we can start live. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye for now.